Hello subscribers, I'm Barista HongBARI. This is a Corona special. People are doing self-isolation, self-quarantine. So I'm gonna make cold brew day. I start with very bright mood because I want to make you guys happy with making coffee. The easiest method to make coffee at home. We're gonna brew coffee bean into cold water and put it in the fridge, and like taking more than 12 hours, and then you can grab proper cold brew coffee. So I'll let you know how to make it. It's really simple. I'll tell you the preparation. I prepare cold water. I prepare coffee bean here. Tea bag, very tiny whole tea bag, and then dripper and a paper filter. Actually, you have two choices: using dripper only and then tea bag only. I'll tell you the recipe: 1 liter water and then 6 grams of coffee bean, and then I'm gonna grind it. The grinding size is supposed to be a little bit coarser, not like too much coarse, not like too fine. The size of particle like a soil. The best way you can do is just walk out and then get to the coffee and ask the barista, I want to make filter coffee. Could you please grind the coffee bean for filter coffee or cold brew? Very easy, right? Yeah. I have grinder, automatic grinder. So let me go and grind it. Won't be long. Alright, I'm back. I have small tea bag only, so I put the ground coffee separately. Might be better with one bag because it's easy to take it out, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm gonna put the coffee bean in the water, and then I'm gonna cover with cling wrap, not to let the coffee flavor out. You have to seal it properly. Filter again with a dripper and paper filter after everything is done. So let me put it in. Yeah. Better to stir a little bit, and then the coffee bean can soak the water. It start brew like that. Can you see them? Easy. It's done. Everything done. And tomorrow morning, I'll filter with this. That's all. Let me tell you something. If you feel like the coffee you made is strong, you can make the coffee bean coarser. You can put some more water. So you don't have to worry about the taste is very intense or very weak. You can adjust. You can see the ground coffee bean left. Did you enjoy the video? It's the easiest way to make coffee at home. Coronavirus affects you guys a lot, so you can't actually go out for drinking coffee with your friend. That's why I made this video. I wish you guys enjoy the coffee. I would be very happy if you guys press the subscribe and like. Bye. See you soon.